What is up and welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about magnetic marketing or attractive marketing. What is attractive marketing? Is it work? What is attraction marketing? Attraction marketing may be the buzzword that is out there commonly heard by most internet marketers. Yet, what does this mean? As an internet marketer, you do need to know what this type of marketing is, as it will likely be one of the most important profitable tools you have in low-cost online marketing that is highly effective. First, understand what it is and then learn how to implement it within your own business. Most business owners can find success using this method to help them to develop their online business. It works in any sector, industry or niche. When applied effectively, it is a low-cost, long-term success tool no marketer should go without. What is it? The short definition of what attraction marketing is may seem too simple. It is simply a term that means that the internet marketer uses the internet to help attract people to the business they are in. To take this to another level, attraction marketing can be defined as bringing people to you rather than going after them. Sound good? The best way to see this is to take a look at the opposite method, the way that most print or non-online advertising is done. In traditional advertising, countless dollars are spent to find the consumer most likely to invest in the product or service. Billboards are placed along freeways for radio stations, for example, since people listen to the radio most often in the car. Advertisements go to the most likely consumer, rather than the consumer coming to the product directly for a need. In attraction marketing, the consumer comes to you and your product or service because they have heard that it is something that can benefit them in some way. Ultimately, this allows for the business to do well since the advertisements are being presented in a pleasant manner. Internet marketing is not often about catchy slogans and flashy ads. Rather, it is a method of bringing people into information, products and services because they are already interested. Mastering this can help a business to grow quickly. But the question is, does it work? Ads. Rather, it is a method of bringing people into information, products and services because they are already interested. Mastering this can help a business to grow quickly. But the question is, does it work? Does attraction marketing work? The short answer to this question is yes, but there are plenty of fantastic examples of how it works. One good one is to consider the election of Mr. Obama. Regardless of whether you are from the US or not, and no matter what side of the ticket you were rooting for, one thing has to be said. Mr. Obama's ability to use internet marketing, including attraction marketing methods, helped him win this election, according to many professionals. Obama used the various tools in internet marketing to help him to win his election because he and his campaign moreover knew the importance and success it could bring. The world goes to the web to learn what it needs to in today's culture. More so, the internet provides an easy, affordable way to reach millions of people every single day. No other medium offers this. The question is, how did Obama use attraction marketing to win the presidential election of the United States? Using attraction marketing tools, websites, and even things like Google Ads helped him to make it happen. Another example of this is Facebook. Everyone on the web knows that Facebook.com is a heaven for younger generation individuals who like to find each other and chat. The trend has grown. In fact, businesses, politicians, and even employers are using it as a tool to connect with others. Mr. Obama's Facebook page was yet another form of attraction marketing that helped him to get his message out. As you can see, there are excellent ways that attraction marketing works. For most of the general public, you aren't trying to win the presidential election. Nevertheless, this tool can still be used to help virtually anyone to gain success in getting traffic to their website. Applying attraction marketing methods to your business, any internet marketer can apply the lessons learned to their own internet business. There are three main parts to developing a successful attraction marketing campaign. But the good news is that none of them are difficult, costly or overly time-consuming. Here, we'll explore these three parts and find out how you can put them to use, no matter what type of internet marketing business you have. In short, they are as follows. 1. Consumers find you, your products or services on the web. 2. Consumers allow you to contact them. 3. You provide consumers with information they can use and benefit from through email and keep your business in front of them all the time. 3. You provide consumers with information they can use and benefit from through email and keep your business in front of them all the time. Part 1. Consumers find you. The first step in the process is to get people to find you online. Remember, with attraction marketing, they are coming to you. You are not going out searching for them and advertising directly. So, how do you get more people to find you online? Website design. First, there are several ways to accomplish this. First, the ultimate first step is to have a useful website and/or blog where you can talk with, work with and interact with your visitors. You will need to ensure it is information-based rather than a sales gimmick. Online, sales gimmicks, long-sized sales letters are less likely to work than other methods of marketing, especially in attraction marketing. Make sure your website tells visitors that you are providing a service to them, information to them, and not a sales ad to convince them to buy. Article directories. Next, you will need to get your information out there. For example, develop excellent articles and detailed outlines related to your business or product, and then get it out into the mainstream. You can post them on various article directories. The benefit of doing this is twofold. Due to the extreme popularity of many of these websites, Google ranks articles quickly there and many get first-page Google results if they are optimized properly. This means that when someone looking for information on a product or service you are offering searches for it in Google, chances are good your article will pop up as a result. Another benefit is that quality article directories work for what their intended purpose is. That purpose is to allow webmasters to pick up these articles with your resource box on them and use them on their websites or in their blogs. Their readers instantly get to read what you are talking about, and they can click on the link and take it back to your website, where they can buy what you are offering. Yet another extension of this is the ability to get that golden backlink to your website. This alone helps to boost your website's ranking in Google's search engines and in other search engines. The more backlinks pointing into your website, the more people will find you, and the better Google ranks to your website. And all you have done is write an article. This is what you are looking for too. You are looking for a way to give people information. Once they have that information, they can then come to you to get what they need. This works in any type of internet niche too. Social networking sites include any of the following. 1. Digg.com. Find useful articles and blog postings and dig them. The more digs received, the more people will read the article and therefore come to the website. 2. Mix.com. Was StumbleUpon.com. Network with others while also getting more traffic to your website as people share interest contents with each others. 3. Facebook.com. Great for meeting, socializing and talking about yourself, your business or anything else. Connect with thousands of people here. 4. Mispus.com. Share all sorts of information, connect with others, networking with others with comparative businesses, and by all means, subtly link to your website. YouTube.com. Great for informational videos and socializing. Who doesn't want to watch a few YouTube videos every now and then? Use them to help market your business indirectly. Twitter.com. Type in short messages, only sometimes containing a link, to let others know what you are doing throughout the day. Network and build up the number of tweets you are following. Addictive, but highly beneficial once you've built a successful following on Twitter. There are many more websites that can be used like this. The key is to really use those where you think the best results can be found, but also where you find yourself enjoying it. The key is once you have a followers list or engagement leads, you are good to go now. But what I have to email them? What is type of email I have to email them? Is it personal, official or mix of both? Once you have a permission to contact them, you can construct your email to them. Here are some examples of quality content to provide to your readers. Provide informational articles. Your clients want to read something helpful to them. They want to read something that teaches them something. For example, let's say you are selling an informational product on acne. In your email message to your readers, you write about the causes of acne. This provides them with some type of information. Make your subject line effective. A common problem that many people have when using any form of email marketing is that they just do not get their readers to open up the email. How can you do well if the reader is not even reading what you have to offer? Use your subject line as a tool. In the above example, the subject line could be, "What causes acne and what you can do about it now." If you have ever opened up an email and read it knowing that they were just selling something, chances are good the information was a simple made-up, canned response. That's boring and actually worthless. Use the readers' names. Be sure to write to them, not to academics. Be personal, yet professional at the same time. Don't overdo it with graphics. Another problem with email marketing like this is that people go overboard with graphics. You have seconds to impress your reader and get them to actually read the email you have sent. If you have so many graphics within it that it takes forever to load, they will close the email and move on long before actually seeing what you were going to talk about. Tell them what to do. Perhaps the most important aspect of any email used like this is that it has to provide your readers with a way of reacting to what you have sent. Tell them what to do or what they can do to learn more. Give them the link to follow that takes them to the answers to their questions. For example, in the above example, after detailing all of the causes of acne, follow up with a link that takes the individual to your acne cure website. The link may read, "Finally, there is help for any of these acne causes eventually," and to sum up magnetic marketing process summarized in 3 main process. Number 1, consumers find you. Number 2, getting permission to communicate. Number 3, provide informational emails to the customer. End up with your offer to solve their problems. At the end of this video. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Magnetic marketing process summarized in 3 main process. Number 1, consumers find you. Number 2, getting permission to communicate. Number 3, provide informational emails to the customer. End up with your offer to solve their problems. At the end of this video. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.